Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sharon Roshan, your teacher from Trinity International School. आज हम सीखेंगे Today we'll learn letter W. कौन सा लेटर सीखेंगे आज? आज सीखेंगे letter W. So what is capital W? Do you know what is capital W? How do we write capital W? So this is capital W. This is capital letter W. How do we write small letter W? ऐसा जो होता है छोटा वाला, that is small letter W, right? So this is capital letter W. ये है small letter W. So trace letter W with your finger. तो अभी हम अपने letter W को कैसे trace करेंगे? अपने finger से, right? So let's start tracing it with our index finger. So we'll make a slanting line, with again the slanting line, again the slanting, and again the slanting. So this one was the left hand side slanting line, this is the right hand side slanting line, again the left hand side slanting line और right hand side. इस हाथ के साइड में जो आता है वो होता है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ना, इस हाथ के साइड में जो आता है वो है राइट हैंड साइड. इफ़ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड लेफ्ट एंड राइट तो आपको सिर्फ स्लैंटिंग लाइंस करने हैं. यू हैव टू टेक योर इंडेक्स फिंगर एंड देन स्टार्ट ट्रेसिंग विथ योर फिंगर. देखो इट्स सो ईजी, इट इज़ ईजी टू ट्रेस ना, राइट? देखो ऐसे ऐसे आपको करना है. फिर हम क्या करेंगे? से द नेम्स ऑफ द पिक्चर्स दैट बिगिन विथ W साउंड. अभी हमें उन पिक्चर्स के नाम बोलने हैं जो W साउंड से होते हैं ना. W फॉर वॉच. से ऑल ऑफ यू. W फॉर वॉच. W फॉर वॉल. W फॉर wall. And then W for window. W for window. Now we'll go to the next page. Trace letter W with crayon. Here we are going to trace the letter with W with crayon. We'll use a violet color for this. Make this slanting line. This is how we made. Then again we'll make a slanting line like this. Again we'll make slanting line, and again we'll make the slanting line. Once again we'll do make a slanting line, and again make a slanting line. Again make the slanting line, and once again we'll make the slanting line. This is how we are going to write letter W. This is the capital letter W. Now again we'll say the names of the pictures that begin with W sound. W for wool, W for well, and W for watermelon. W for wool, W for well, and W for watermelon. Now we'll go to the next page. Say W for watch. W for watch. W for क्या क्या आता है? W for watch, W for wool, W for well. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं ना, so you have to say. Now color the watch. Here we are going to color the watch. So watch is already in the pink color. You can use any color of your choice. Okay, and start coloring the watch. I am using the red color here. You can use any color of your choice. आपको जो कलर पसंद है आप वो कलर यूज़ कीजिए. So you all can see we have completed coloring the watch. On the next page there is a picture of window, W for window. So you have to color the picture of window as well. That is your homework. Now we'll go to the next page. There is color only the watermelon slice with letter W. So there are so many watermelons and there are so many different letters. You all can see there is a letter S, there is a W, there is a letter N, but we are going to only color the letter W. So we'll color this. Start coloring. This is letter W. Okay. Now we'll color this slice of watermelon. Again the letter W here, this and this both. So this is your homework. You have to color this watermelon slices which has the letter W. Now we'll go to the next page. Here you can see color the part to match the letters. First we'll use the blue color. So color the part to match the letters. This is the letter T. So we'll match the letter T. Next we use green color. Next we'll use red color to join the part letter V. Then there is a letter W. We'll use yellow color. Now here we'll go to the next page. Circle the pictures that begin with the sound of given letters. Here you can see there is a letters given and we have to circle those pictures that begin with the sound of the given letters. So T for tomato. So we are going to circle this picture. T for tomato. Next, which picture goes with the given letter? U for umbrella. Next, V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. To circle the picture of watch. Now we'll go to the next page. Here you can see, circle the pictures that begin with the sound of given letters. T for turtle, U for umpire, V for vase and W for wheel. You have to circle all these pictures. That is your homework. Okay. Now we'll go to the next page. Say the names of the pictures and circle the correct letters. T for telephone, so circle the letter T. Next, W for well, so circle the letter W. Next, U for umpire, then we'll circle the letter U. V for vulture, so circle the letter W, V. Now match the same letters, as you all can see there are same letters given here. We are going to match it. So letter S will match to letter S, then letter T will match to the letter T, U will match to the letter U, V will match to the letter V, W will match to the letter W. So next page, again here you can see there is same match the following, but here there is a difference. Match the letters to the correct pictures. Match the letters to the correct picture. T for telephone, U for umbrella, V for violin, and W for watch. V for violin and W for watch.